Vocabulary for IELTS speaking. To excel in the IELTS speaking test, having a strong vocabulary is essential. The right vocabulary can help you express your ideas more clearly and effectively. In this video, we will discuss some essential vocabulary words that could be used to boost your IELTS speaking score. Here are some vocabulary words that are commonly used in the IELTS speaking test, along with their meanings. Innovative. 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 Meaning introducing new ideas or methods. Articulate. 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 Meaning expressing oneself clearly and effectively. Stimulating. 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 Meaning interesting, exciting, or thought-provoking. Authentic. 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 Meaning genuine or real. Comprehensive. 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 Meaning covering or including everything. Conducive. 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 Meaning helpful or favorable to achieving a certain result. Eclectic. 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 Meaning diverse or varied in style, taste, or content. Resilient. 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 Meaning able to recover quickly from difficult situations. Eloquent. 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 Meaning fluent, persuasive, and articulate in speech. Cohesive. 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 Meaning sticking together, connected, or united. Persuasive. 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 Meaning able to convince others to believe or do something. Proficient. 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 Meaning skilled or competent in a particular activity or subject. Reputable. 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 Meaning having a good reputation, or trustworthy. Sophisticated. 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 Meaning complex, refined, or developed. Versatile. 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 Meaning able to adapt, or be adapted to many different functions or activities. Astounding. 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 Meaning surprising or shocking. Visionary. 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 Meaning having original, creative, or far-reaching ideas. Well-rounded. 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 Meaning having a broad range of knowledge, skills, and interests. Ambitious. 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 Meaning having a strong desire to achieve something. Exquisite. 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 Meaning extremely beautiful or delicate. Thank you for watching Miss English.